Hello guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Karlia Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries. We're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your user profile. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Settings. From here, you're going to scroll down and click on API Integrations. And we have our key right here, our API key right here. In case you don't have any API key display yet, you're simply going to click on Create a new API key. And you're going to give it a description and click on and register. There we go, our API key has been generated. So you're going to copy your API key, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup, and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go, our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the Launchpad support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.